from Ms. Annie Chavura, who is the president of Employers Consultative Association of Malawi, ECAM. Remember, the goal is enhancing skills development for economic transformation towards Malawi 2063. Now, we can't be talking about Malawi 2063 without having this very important skill, very important enhanced skill for us to take us there. This is why this two-day conference is really very important. We are here to review, re-energize, re-strategize towards Malawi 2063 agenda. Your Excellency, we are continuing with the program. And right now, let me call Chindime and Kongwako to entertain us. Chindime, are you there? And Kongwako, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. When
I was elected as a member of Parliament, people from Tandile, they're having problems with roads, especially from Spearhead. There was a small bridge there where people, a lot of people died because there's no any infrastructure.
Ajindime, inaero nakuona ni kumapa video ni kucha. Ndenduku kwa bwira ajindime. Koma mabwana asamane, ngata bwana ni mwana watano. Ndio mafoni salimba.
Despite that,
mwana mene jama rola.
Kwani tano fumda muona kale.
Empakale.
Tano fada sintira rubano. Mwana wosinta odi mwana rine kama kala. Ni udalira tano. Tano fana ntule mbame swaga folo. Unitsanzika.
Ana koza ko.
Adakoza. Aro dadi ine nduri. Nubira ntawunu kafuna hito. Ine nadapita mwana wangu. Tena alama nimbira phone. Akuda dadi pano ni kusukulu ku college.
Alukole kitanofu.
Ndukangati muno manda pesana nazi zake. Ndiye adapita ku college.
College yangu.
Akuti Maula Pharmacy and Landscape Preparation.
Infrastructure.
Ili malai mo muno college mino.
Ili malai mo muno.
We have built.
Ndari mwina mama mukabwera simutipesa silikala tili kusukulu. Tikala tili mu state center tizichecha. Ndaro land preparation ichanimeneyo. Audi mani for mwao saufaranga ndamena machitira ena nuenda makoleje nawa yo mani for mwao makala white imakabudula white amadza checha mu center mu samala
kule jage ndimeneyo
audi maula chani ndanayo kole jimenayo wa makala apuzitsawo atamanya mula futi samaenda apuzitsawo amakani futi
Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Adam Manga.
Take the people to go to my beach in Kisau.
Adam Manga nantola bine. Adam Manga. Ajindime. Mwana mineyo inimuda kanisa banji. Mena da koza maiswa form follow. Mugana munikira inu ngati kholo. Kuti mwana iwe tapanga apply kuti veta ukaphunzire za ntchito luso la manja.
Maphunziro ati veta. Inu mwana muti ada koza form follow. Tera zikachita zokoma umakakoma mavavu otira nazari. Mwana utadachita form follow.
Vuto limelinda mala ambiri ndi limene. Timati tikati ntchito za luso timuona ngati kuti amakapanga zimezi jenda anthu osaphunzira.
Ambiri timaganiza kotero kani.
Ajindime. Mudziwe kuti china chili chonse chimene tikuona muno kapena china chili chonse chimene munthu akuona muno tidziwe kuti munthu waluso adekapo nzemu kapena adekapo dzanja lake kuti chimene chioneke chili chonse timachiona munthu waluso anachitapo
kuteko amene timanyoza anthu aluso ndoti ndife mbuli m'mayendedwe a dziko
sitikudziwa
chifukwa chili chonse chimene pamene tingagwirepo kani chovala kani malotiliwano kayamisha kuti naona kunjaku kuti munthu waluso adekapo maganizo ake chinthu chichakukhalapo
ndipo sango kamba misewu yakandi chovala ya ngakhale munthu amene kuti aoneke ndiye luso linachitika pamenepo
kodi inu mphungu wako nene kutolo mitengo mapiriti maona wanyanyazi adachitani munthu waluso
innovator number 1 oyambirira mwini wake mulungu
inu nde mwani masula tsano mene nalowa mu state center mu niona ndipito wa president enda Malawi ndana angakhale muno mayenda a president alowa ku BICC nati nilondola nimene mafika muno nudzoti paponda president sungalephere kudya apo ali kudya muno
ayidime idiyo mwachira bwino mabwera muno
chabwino
chifukwa muno bungwe lathu lija limene avomerezeka ku Nyumba Yamalamulo kuti itsiyang'anira ntchito zonse zokhudza nkhani za luso mdziko muno la TVETA mogwirizana ndi unduna za ntchito lero akudzakhazikitsa imene kuti 2025 National TVET Conference.
We are constructing
umene ndi mkumano wa anthu onse okhudzidwa ndi ntchito za luso mdziko muno umene tikhale tikukambirana kuchoka lero mpaka mawa tikambirane zambiri zokhudza luso
kaya mukamba za makoleji niwonse amene amaphunzitsa za luso mdziko muno kaya amene amapereka chithandizo kunkhani zophunzitsa luso mdziko muno anu ake anawo adza lusowo tere wonse ali muno
tili muno
kuti nikona chakumera president ndi afaisi awo kuti apezeke muno inetu tifamene na president ni mwambo mwene nawo paja president adabwera ndi masomphenya amalawi 2063
zona
paja Bible Yoweri 2 verse 28 bebani timaponyako
paja mwana nkulompigo
timaponyako Yoweri 2 verse 28 akuti akulu adzalota achinyamata adzanenera
nzona
president adalota vision Malawi 2063 achinyamata amene ali unene azinenera azichita
kwateke tikunena kuti asukuza ukachenjede usiyana-siyana alipo mpano komanso achinyamata amene anapitiza maphunziro mpaka kumaliza kuyamba makampani awo ena akugwira ntchito makampani osiyana-siyana alipo mpano
tinenezona ntchito za manja anthu alulemera nazo ntchito za luso alulemera nazo
kwambiri
umakaona kamwana kang'onong'ono ndalama zakezo umakoniwe ndalama zimenezi mwanayi wozilenga kuti ndalama
ntchito za luso achinyamata akulemera
tinali maliro kumudziku anadzati mwambo palibe zokambirana zizonse zichitike tidikira big man kuti mwambo yambike mafumu azamkolo wake ife tonse tali tudiki big man kuti mwambo tani
uyambike
udambe galimoto umona lutsika mmenemo kamwana kang'onong'ono uona katrauza kamene kavala 14
ndaizina makhala kazipi
uku ndoti trauza ali bokosi aluoneka tsitsi losapesa ankolo ako imili ati big man timadikira ajani ati ile kumatsikoli
achitime pano ndalama zili mwa chinyamata chinyamata amene akuyika mtima pa ntchito za luso nkuyang'ana masomphenya 2063 ndi amene akhala ndalama
komanso masiku ano big man sikukula siyeje
ndikashi tikati big ndikashi
kodi kubanki kulaku kuti chiyani big man kuyambitsa mwambo ine koma zinthu zake kuti amikire kwambiri mwambo umene unofunikira
nzona
Teletrosa medeta ni jobwera muno. Tiyeni tidzoti fena medu songola Malawi 2063.
Malawi 2063 ndikuoneka ngati kale. Koma tatiyeni wina aliyense Malawi aliyense ayike mtima paluso. Tikatera Malawi 2063 uja tidzimuona pafupi.
Nkona achinyamata uzoti tsogolani. Chifukwa makambasa ATM paja kulemuso. Agriculture tourism mining and manufacturing. Taye kule mayemu atatu, mayemu awiri. Amene angathamange ni hito imeneyi. Nyamata
ndisona ndeta alimbikitsa mina achinyamata kuti ntchito za luso ndizimene zingatani zingapindulire Malawi makaso nthawi ino imene Malawi tikulimbikitsana kuti tigwire ntchito kapena tigule katundu wa Malawi momuno
nthawi yoti anthu aluso alemere niti
imeneyi
phungu ako ndipo ndikuona anthu aluso akulibenso dziko la
amaliza
maliro numanena apawa tinakagula bokosi inu pamene nadzoti anthu aluso amaliza ananiuza kuti tonse akuluakulu tenti tutse abokosi mumochale galimoto phungu ako ndinali mmodzi wayo kulinyamula bokosi mene mazizirirapo bokosi lili uzizira ine nato anthu aluso munchesa ikayako ninkati mabokosi kodi kutsutsa mwayi
ndime ayi
umaziziratu
simuti bokosi limachoka mmochale pacha mmochale mutu mmozizira ndi bokosi nazizira menemo ayike eyako ni mbokosi weekend mpoya wadzika pumandano
kati mwina malemu afuna dzapfire yesu kobwera dzapeza kufumabe.
These schools are in town. You can go and check. The media can go and check. Go to Nkwiji.
Another big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Honorable members,
entertaining us
a commissioner
morning.
is a
Remember,
senior
we're
person in
talking about the
When he's
agenda, the
presenting
Malawi
facts, lift up hands for
2063
him.
agenda. We also have the ATM that
Commissioner,
was also mentioned in
he
there.
sits
To
in
run
the
with
board
these
of parliament.
strategies, we need
He
skills
sits in the
labor.
board of
We
parliament.
need skills
All your
development.
lives
This is why today
are
and
in his
tomorrow,
hands.
these are very, very important days
thank you,
in
my brother,
Malawi. So
Deputy Speaker.
these are the type of discussions that
I
we
just
need to
want
be
to give
discussing
you
in this country.
the
We need
statistics.
skilled
Go to
labor for the
Constituency
Malawi
school. We are paying
2063.
for the two
We need
students.
skilled
Go to
labor
parents.
for the
CJs.
ATM
We are paying
strategy.
for
Your
62
Excellency,
students.
continuing with
Go
the
to
program,
Njewa.
let me now
Sunday
call
school.
for the
We are
guest
paying for 19
presentation
students.
on quality technical, entrepreneurial, and vocational
You go
education
to
training,
Magawa Sunday School. There's only
TVET,
one student
for
there in Chinji.
industrialization
Go to
by
Goma
Professor
Sunday School, there's 3
Address
students.
Malata,
Go
who
to
is the
Isapo
Vice
Sunday School,
Chancellor
there's 7
for
students.
Malawi
Go
University
to
of Science
Sunday
and
School, there are 19
Technology,
students.
MAST.
And go
Ladies
to
and
Waida
gentlemen,
Sunday School,
a
there are
big
10
hand
students.
for Professor
We are
Malata.
paying using CDF money. In total, this year alone, we are paying for 210 students. Accumulatively, since I became a member of parliament, 320 students have benefited from the CDF money. Sanitation. Deputy Speaker, through Donatas Chakwera, we have managed to put a sewer system in Falls Estate, in Area 47, and free water connections. Go to Ntandile and Tiriza Chisapo, Pedegere. His Excellency promised to provide free water connections to Longwe City dwellers. This has happened in my constituency. Thousands and thousands of people that benefited from these free water connections. We applaud the president for keeping his words when he told this nation that he's going to provide free water connection. As a result of this, the cases of cholera have greatly been reduced in my constituency. We have constructed modern toilets in all these areas. You can go and witness yourself. On housing, Mr. Deputy Speaker, His Excellency Chakwera has constructed 100 security houses in Chisapo. This is my constituency. He has also constructed 40 security houses in Ntandile and Citizen Area 47, where our security men, now they will be able to be living in good houses. Telecommunications. Using the marker, we are constructing a good computer lab at Mpiji Standard School. And using the marker, they have provided with us free Wi-Fi services at Mboni Market in Ntiriza. People there that are enjoying these facilities. There are a lot of things, Your Excellency, the Deputy Speaker, which is happening in my constituency using the CDF, using the money from this house, etc., etc. Apart from that, Mr. Deputy Speaker, Lilongwe has completely transformed. I'm one of the beneficiaries of the road infrastructure which has happened in the city. Nowadays, to drive from the Parliament to Old Town to Shopland, it takes you 3-4 minutes. Previously, we're driving the same stretch of the road, maybe 30 minutes because of the load, because of traffic jam. But now with Donatas Chakwera, the road now we can drive without any problems. We can drive from Crossroads to Kanengo, 5 minutes, because now our roads are free from traffic jams. All this is happening because of Donatas Chakwera. As I would like to wind up, I did not stop there. Pama Kanshiro Zinazajifundo, you are Deputy Speaker. I have been providing transport services for my constituency since 2016. From 2016 up to now, my cars which move in my constituency, nobody has put there even a single liter in that car. Every day, the vehicle is on the road to assist the sick people, to assist people during the weddings, during the Maufumu, and even Nyumba Yamalamulo. This vehicle has been there since 2016. As people of, as I said, my constituency was divided into 4.
Order to my left, order.
Now,
remember, you are in the August House. Remember, you are in the August House. Please.
Now, Mr. Deputy Speaker, I've made a final decision. Out of the 4 constituencies which have come out in my constituency, now I've made a final decision that I will represent people from Tandile and Tsiliza constituency. This area, your Deputy Speaker, the catchment area is area 47, Tandile, Tsiliza, Muzu, Piasan, Chimombo. That's the area now which I'm going to represent from 2016. And from that area, I would like to promise the following things which we have agreed with the people from that area. That shortly, once elected into power, come September this year, we are going to construct a new road, a tarmac road, from Chimala, Mboni, up to Piasan. This man is already available. It's just a matter of time. So people from Tandile and Tsiliza know that this road will be constructed into tarmac standard. We are going to construct a hospital, Alim Tamaliwiro in Tsiliza. We have applied for land for this, and the Ministry of Lands have already given us a piece of land where we construct this hospital. In Tamaliwiro in Tsiliza. The people who live there, they know what I'm talking about. This is the land which is opposite the Gateway Mall. There's a large piece of land. Half of that land has been given to government, and we have applied for land there which has been given to us to construct this hospital. We are going to construct another hospital in Muzu at Chimombo village. We have a piece of land
winding
there.
up.
Excuse?
Consider winding up.
Yeah, I'm winding up. And also, I would like to promise the people of Ntandile that we are going to construct a police unit. We call that place Pamavete, Spearhead, where the government is already constructing the police houses. I have already discussed with the Inspector General of the Police that they should reserve a small piece of land so that we construct a police unit there. She has consented to that. So very shortly, we are going to put a police unit there. We are going to put a bridge at Pamalata, and we are going to put a drainage system from Tsiliza Bridge to Nkochera CCP. As I'm talking now, your Deputy Speaker, Malep, not Malep, MEP, they are putting electricity in our area. Our area, though, is in the city, but a good part of it is in the rural. It's peri-urban. These areas we have been lacking electricity. As I'm talking now, the poles are already there to connect all the areas which were lacking electricity in Tsiliza, Ntandile, Piasani, Chimombo. So that came in the next few months, people there will not be living in darkness since Dolores Chakwera has approved for installation of electricity in these areas. Finally, the Deputy Speaker, Bowman Dromweli, we are coming back in in September, whether one likes or not, Dolores Chakwera is going to rule this country up to 2030. And now Amangula, the Maroto, Ashumba, they know very well that they cannot take this government. They are better placed where they're staying there. Bowman Dromweli, opposition Dromweli, we wish you well as you come back here to still be opposing this government led by Dolores Chakwera from 2025 in September this year. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, for giving me this chance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Commissioner George Zuru, Member of Parliament for Lilongwe, City West, veteran politician. You've been here, your people love you, and we pray that you come back because you are a good person. Bravo, honorable member. Before I proceed, We've been honored this morning. Lero talemegezeka tindalendo amenati endera kujogera kuja Kasungu Northeast neighbor MP atu Paul Dumembe Nkoma. Tupempeni makolo mwambamo imirirani awukani watata mchanya umo awukani mwachenatu. What is the 4 years aloha? Honorable member, Honorable Paul Dumembe Nkoma, where are you? Honorable Paul Nkoma? Or is with the speaker? All right. Da Bempe, Honorable Lich. These are teachers. There are 59 in total. May I, Honorable Nkoma, may you wave for your people. Honorable Nkoma, thank you so much. You are welcome to Parliament. This is your home. And the Kamacheni is here. God bless you. Be seated. Thank you. We proceed. Nkoma, you can scribble something. You can wave the standing orders and make your statement. We can see how we can do it. Today is one day. But I see leader of the house.
First Deputy Speaker, is it in order? You always ask me to stand and wave at people. Is it in order that today you forget me?
This is our leader here, Honorable Richard Chimondo Banda, the bulldozer. We love him. He's from Nalunga, Elvera, Mavwere. There is a point of order from Zombachisi and the Chiradzulu South. Zombachisi, point of order.
First Deputy Speaker, thank you very much. I had a point of order, but maybe you can just give me. You can hear me?
Raise your voice. We normally struggle when you speak.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
First Deputy Speaker.
There's you, there's Cholo Centro. You always lower your tone. Right?
But thank you very much, First Deputy Speaker. Yes, I signaled you that I have a point of order, but I was going to ask that perhaps you can just give me the opportunity to speak, to make the constituency statement, so that I can embed my point of order within the constituency statement.
Noted, but we'll see how we're going to do it. Let's follow what is on the order paper first. Injuring those that had presented earlier on their constituency statements. Chiradzulu South, do you still want to speak? Chiradzulu South?
Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, for giving the people of Chiradzulu South to do a point of order. I'd like to find out from you, Chair, whether it's in order for the honorable member who has just sat down, not to recognize the good job that DPP had done in this constituency. There are some beautiful roads that DPP has done. We have done Area 36 road. You know it. 36 road. And then we also have done this road from Interchange. Very beautiful road going to your constituency. We have done that road. And you are aware also that we have done that bypass which passes all through your constituency. Is it
Honorable member for Chiradzulu. Honorable member for Chiradzulu South.
Can I finish?
Point of order is about something that is going to miss.
It's very important to recognize what we did as well. I'm saying this because I was in the constituency myself, his constituency. I went through this road, Katanta to bypass. Go there and see the potholes that are there. Actually, people are saying they would want to vote for our vice president here in the central region, Gangata, because they have potential. He's a young man, he's going to do a good job. Is it in order? Madam Speaker? DPP. All the people there are saying they want DPP and they want our vice president to come there. Is it in order, Madam Mr. President, to speak?
Chilazuro South, good morning. We, as a leader.
You know, when Chilazuro South speaks, he's normally quiet. So I want to agree with him. DPP did some development in the city. The first development they did was the Chipasula Road. That starts from area 23 all the way to Chipasula Sonda School. The other one they did was from St. to 25. All those roads were done, and within 6 months, they were all demolished. No one can go there. No one can see those roads. So whatever they have done is completely washed out. The colleagues were able to do something, but it was always temporary. Come Kamacheni and see what Dr. Jaguera is doing. Can you go and see the 6th lane? Can you go and see the road all the way from Kanengo to Crossroads? Come and see the beautiful roads that Dr. Jaguera has done. In Nigeria, I could have sung that song. Come and see, oh, come and see.
I see that honorable members, through your leaders, you're having good moments, and the chair is in good moments as well. Rumpi North, DPP whip, former Minister of Transport, former Minister of Health. You have the floor, sir.
I just want to put the record straight, Mr. President, the Speaker, sir, that the Honorable Leader of the House has deliberately omitted state-of-the-art roads that were done under the able leadership of Professor Arthur Mutharika, one of which is the road from Parliament here going to Bigu Stadium. And the stadium itself was also built by the able leadership of Professor Peter Mutharika. He has deliberately omitted. Actually, further, President Speaker, we did one of the best roads in this country in his own constituency, from Lower to Chelsea, under my leadership as Minister of Transport. He should be the last person to say these things. He must appreciate what we did for him. Further, we did a road from here to Sante. That passes through the constitution of His Excellency, the President of this country currently, His Excellency McCarthy Chakwera. He must appreciate these things. And therefore, just to isolate some two low-volume roads as being not in good shape is not appropriate. I want to set the record straight. Right.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member, Honorable Jabi Muhango, Member of Parliament for Rumpi North. Honorable members, let's proceed. I gave you that time that you celebrate, but you forgot the Chamama Road. How could you? How could you forget Chamama Road? How could you forget the Chamama Road? You've done all these roads. How could you forget Chamama Road? But I forgive you. I forgive you. One of the members, those are later moments after passing the budget. What else can we do? Just celebrate Parliament. We are here as brothers and sisters. Let's proceed. For one of the members, let's proceed. I will take one point of order. One. So who yields to the other? Order Central, please.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, for recognizing us, the people of Nkota Central. Honorable Speaker, the DPP whip, by just mentioning those two low-volume roads, he has reminded me of a bridge that he built in Mapala that lasted only 3 months. Only 3 months. It was washed away with the first rain of November. in Mapala. Him came to open the bridge.
We proceed to Chikwawa West, constituency statement. Chikwawa West. Chikwawa West. There's seems Chikwawa West is not here. We go to Mangochi South. Commissioner Patel. Mangochi South. We go to Blantyre City West. Blantyre City West. Constituency statement. We go to Blantyre Malabada. Constituency statement. Malabada in the chamber, you're ready?
First, Deputy Speaker, I have not yet prepared my constituency statement. May I postpone, please?
Nzimba South, the people of gender, Nzimba South, on the floor, 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, for giving the people of Nzimba South time to give progress, or more especially on the constituency statement.
Wherever Lilongwe Centre is, please remind him that his item is on the order paper, Lilongwe Centre. So, colleagues, you may wish to inform him. He had a question. We didn't had the opportunity to have the question asked, but now the constituency. So, Lilongwe Centre and all those that are here, Chikwawa Central, Dowa North, Lilongwe Sinja South, Dowa Ngala, Zomba, Malosa. So, thank you. Nzimba South, apologies for the interjection. You may proceed.
Yeah,
you may start again. Thank you.
Yeah, you have consumed my 1 minute. Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, for giving the people of Nzimba South to give a constituency statement, more especially for the time that the people of Nzimba South gave me from 2019 up to 2024, and then we added another year up to this time around. On my constituency statement, I'll talk about 2 to 3 things. I'll talk about the CDF projects that we have done so far. And also we'll talk about the personal initiatives that I, as a person, I do for the people, as I promised during the campaign. And also I will elaborate some of the projects that the government has done, the donor community has done, so that the people of Nzimba South can appreciate the progress that the constituency we have made. Since I have 10 minutes, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, by the time I was elected, the first project that we did under CDF was the construction of Mbangweni Police Unit. In a special way, I want to thank TM Zuguzugu and all the GVH under TM Zuguzugu for coming together, donating bricks, and we tried to fetch bricks from all 27 GVH that are under TM Zuguzugu. That's why today we have a Mbangweni Police Unit. Secondly, we had to move to Loviri, where a big school block was blown off by heavy rains, but we managed to repair it through CDF. And then we went to Suwe, where Kapitolulu Junior Primary School was also constructed. And also, during my campaign, when I was going around Kamtantambwe area, during my time, I had a rally there. There was Mrs. Mkandawide who begged me to say, Chamblanyina, when you be an MP, make sure that the first project that you should do Kamtantambwe Bridge. And as we are talking right now, the people of Kamtantambwe can testify that for the past 5 years, the first bridge that I constructed was Kamtantambwe Bridge. And then also we said there are some school blocks that had the tiles, and those tiles were rotten. We had to remove them. We went to Vangalala, we removed all the tiles, and we replaced them with IBR iron sheets. We also moved up there to Hoho. All the 4 school blocks, we'll move the tiles and replace them with the IBR iron sheets. And then at Matkija, a school block was also blown off. We had to go there and buy some materials, iron sheets, and we maintained them. And then the people around Kamterwe, coming closer to Kamambakantu, chose one project to say, Chamblanyina, can you help us to do the Kamtantambwe Chipata River? We did it, and right now there is a concrete bridge that people are moving 24 hours. We also came down there around Dimi. There was a huge problem. Politicians were promising people around Mzuguzugu, people around Dimi, that they will construct a bridge. I want to remind the people of Mzimba South that really we did that bridge, and our aim forward is that we need to remove those planks that we built at the Dimi Luasozi Bridge, so that at least it can also be a concrete bridge. And then also at Makoskasi DSS, we had to construct 2 teachers' houses. And also we went up there to Kaulangutu Primary School, where we also constructed 2 teachers' houses. And also at Vangalala area, there was also a problem. ADMAC didn't have a place. Well, we just had a structure, and then we had to put iron sheets, IBR iron sheets. And we went there just behind, closer to Echieni, we had to construct Chitala River concrete bridge. And then we moved to Kalungulu, close to Sinda, we also had to construct Chitala River concrete bridge. And then also closer to Mposa, closer to Kavieyo, we also constructed Mposa Kavieyo River box covered. And also at Matkija, coming to Swaswa, we also constructed what we call the Irish concrete bridge. At Mawiri, Kaufulu, the community at Mawiri contributed some monies and constructed the bridge at Kaufulu. CDF also provided some materials, even though this bridge, our aim in future is that we need to construct a very good bridge that 30 tons trucks can be moving through this place. And we didn't leave the people of Mapanjira alone. We were with them. The people around Mbofana going to school to Mapanjira, they were unable to move because there's a Kapitenje bridge, and we also managed to construct the bridge there. Apart from that, at Swaswa also people complained that during 2014-2019, they were promised a school block, and we also built a very beautiful school block. You can't believe it. If you go there and tell them and ask them, they'll tell you it only costed us 6 million to construct that bridge. And also Chikande, we constructed a block, and also Mtira block. And also we went to Kaulusi. When you are going to Kaulusi, passing through Champoyo, there was also a bridge, we call it Kaulusi Lukulu River Bridge. And also from Bangalala coming to Mperekezi, we had to grade it, and our aim this year that we also grade this road from Bangalala, Ndawa, Zulanga, going up there to Mzimba, we will grade this year. We went further to grade also. We did some glubbing, and they call it glubbing and clearing. We glubbed from Zulanga to Mperekezi Forest, so that at least this year we can easily grade the road. As you know very well that CDF also has got a component of bursary. I can testify also here that more than 200 students have been reached out through this CDF money. And also the youth and women empowerment, at least 5 clubs who have reached to them out in terms of giving them credit. And also around Mtira, Chalwataya River, we also constructed a bridge. And also Chieni, Eheken, Chipata, we did some grading of the road. And also agenda, people agenda. They were looking too much at the project of mortuary. We did it, and my colleagues from Kasungu North, from Zimba Southwest, from Zimba Luerezi, that always helped, or even my colleagues from Zimba Southeast, that always helped with this mortuary that we built at Gender. And at Noam Kochi, passing there to Sparta Primary School, we constructed a 15 meters concrete bridge where the former MP comes from, so that at least at Mapita Kwao. And also at Maviri CDSS, a new hostel was constructed. It is there right now. At Zulanga, Luanyumbu Bridge, as they are going to Boswell's family, we constructed what we call the Zulanga Luanyumbu Bridge. And also Nkutu, at Nkutu there, as we are going to Moffat Nkata's place, we go. There are 2 school blocks which the tiles got rotted. We had to remove the tiles from 2 school blocks, and also at the Tupwenge, Kakoma 2, and also the Mzgambuzi. So far, we are constructing the primary school, the school block, and also Mapanjira, Maripiti, River Irish Bridge, Kaswa Vipindi concrete bridge, Kanyenyezi head teacher's house, Vibangalala TDC zone, Joka school block, Epangweni under 5 clinic, Embangweni Mkulu bridge. These are 2 bridges. Chaska Chiwondwe River Bridge. This is the one that we are currently constructing, and also Nkulunguta through classroom block that was also constructed. I can also testify that Chipata Likamula box culvert is also done, and also Mbangweni Kaparangwari concrete bridge done. Mbangweni Kaparangwari 2 concrete bridge is also done, and also Msazi. As we are going to Msazi this coming Saturday, I'm going to Msazi to monitor the construction of the under 5 clinic, and also at Kaulusi, I'll pass there. These are some of the CDF projects that as a constituency we have done. In conclusion, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, there are some personal initiatives that I've done for the past 5 years. I'm always there in the constituency. Whenever people are in sorrows, I'm with them. Whenever people are in Paukwati, I'm with them. That is a personal initiative that I've done. At the same time, if you go to my constituency, people will tell you to say, we don't complain of transport. Whenever they want a car, the cars are already there. They want ambulances, the ambulances are always there. What I'm talking here is real, and they're moving right now, assisting people. And also apart from that,
those few remarks,
as a Ngoni, we have a culture activity that we do in August. I provide free transport to the chiefs so that they can fetch people and go there. So in my constituency, our future plans are just 3 in nature, Mr. First Deputy Speaker. I'm concluding. Our future plan is that we continue being transparent in the management of the Constituency Development Fund. I want to promise TM Zogola, ADC, I want to promise TM Zugzugu, ADC, that I will continue respecting your committees, I will continue respecting the VDCs, so that we work together, so that we plan together all activities that are relating to the development that is with the CDF. The other future plan is that I'll continue with the welfare of the people. Transport is always available. For my next 5 years, transport will also be available. And finally, I will continue to fight for them when I'm here. I will continue to fight, to write proposals to the donors. I haven't mentioned the projects that donors have done in my constituencies because of time, but I'll continue. With these few remarks, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, I give myself to the people of Zimba South. Here I am, send me again for 2025 to 2030. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Mzimba South, Emmanuel Chambulanyina Jere, one of the young parliamentarians that are doing well in the parliament. Thank you. Your future is bright. continue to serve your people well. And when your people remember you for the commendable job you've been doing. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We proceed to Lilongwe Central. There is a point of order from Honorable Member for Rumpi East. Rumpi East, point of order.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker. Allow me to indeed once again thank you for allowing the people of Rumpi East to stand on a point of order. My point of order is seeking your wisdom and the guidance as to how I can do what I'm trying to share with you, Honorable Speaker. The civil servants were on strike, and when of a sudden some leaders have been given transfer letters, so I don't know what standing orders I can use so that I can appeal to the leader through you of government so that at least maybe they can stop the transfers of these senior civil servants who were seen to be leaders of that protest march. So I don't know what standing order can I use through your wisdom, First Deputy Speaker. I thank you once again.
Member, very simple. You can use standing order 69. You're going to be addressed even today. So through Secretariat, you'll be guided. You'll be given the forms. You use standing order 69. And may you perhaps also liaise with the government side, that the responsible ministry, please. Thank you. We go to our own Lilongwe Central seasoned politician, Honorable Lobini Lowe.
Thank you so much. First Deputy Speaker, I rise to present constituency statement from the people of Senior Chief Sabango and Senior Chief Karumba. I'm talking of a constituency that is peri-urban. Being peri-urban, it means it's a constituency.
Honorable Member, may I urge you to raise your voice? Because we have esteemed teachers from Kasung there. They want to hear more what is happening in Lilongwe Central, which is urban. Please.
Yeah, being peri-urban, we are talking of a constituency that had a particular culture, but this constituency is now affected because there is an influx of foreign culture, foreign people. So we have actually allowed and adopted foreign influence, meaning that very soon, in 10 years' time, it will be a total different constituency because it won't be the same people, same villagers. It will be a mixture of people. And I can proudly say that we have actually allowed our culture to be affected in terms of our dance, our private issues. Is now a totally different constituency. The land that used to be for farming is now demarcated in 2 plots. It will be a city. And for information, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, being a city, we are equally enjoying some basic issues that the city requires. I'm talking of electricity, potable water, good classrooms, and I would like to thank this government for actually responding positively to our demands. First of all, I'm talking of modern primary school blocks. At least all schools have benefited, except maybe one primary school. This is Kanyandure. But I will find ways and means for them to also benefit. there's a good modern primary school at Magaramura, Ngombe Primary School, very modern. And this will benefit a lot because with an increase in the pupils that will go to primary school, this primary school cover a lot of pupils. At the same time, I'm looking at a modern secondary school, which is at Sante. This is commendable, and government is doing a lot. Right Honorable Speaker, in terms of CDF, let me indicate here that I've been in Parliament for almost 16 years, but for the first 5 years, I've actually enjoyed MP influence in the constituency because I can actually respond to constituency demand immediately after the increase of constituency development fund. Right Honorable Speaker, you may wish to appreciate that I've managed to construct a modern police office at GCU bypass. There was a total breakdown of security, but as I'm talking, you can appreciate with CDF, I've actually constructed wonderful police unit. And I would like to thank Katete Farm for providing 1 hectare land. 1 hectare would mean 2.5 acres in town, free of charge. This is very commendable. At the same time, looking at the growth of the city, it's my prayer that after presenting the issues to relevant ministries, we'll have another modern police unit at Kitsime and another one at Sante, T.A. Sabangu. Right Honorable Speaker, in terms of electricity, let me indicate here clearly that for a long time, we didn't benefit a lot in terms of electricity connection in the constituency. But within these 3, 4, 5 years, through ESCOM and MAREP, 60% of the constituency is covered with electricity, is connected. Meaning that going beyond 16 September, given another 5 years, 100% of the constituency will be connected. And it's my prayer that I go beyond 16 September. Right Honorable Speaker, in terms of road infrastructure, you appreciate if you go to my constituency. All feeder roads were upgraded using a grader. All feeder roads. And we are now covering bridges. I'm talking of bridges like one at Chiroa, Chioza, Chitanjiru, Kisio, lots of bridges. Another one was provided by central government at Mzimbo. This is wonderful. Meaning that within 3, 4 years, I've managed to provide wonderful bridges. I appreciate. This is a caring government. Looking at how wonderful roads are constructed in the city, being a peri-urban, I hope very soon, after concluding all these roads in the city, as a peri-urban, will equally benefit. I have in mind roads like Zamkut to Bondamari, Zamkut to Choyo, Zamkut to Gapiri, Nanjiri to Chuzira via Chipeni, Gorogota to Chuzira, Chuzira to Mbununu. If these roads are upgraded to bitumen standard, my constituents will benefit a lot. And it's my prayer, going beyond the 16th September, Boma City Kuchoka. And this is a caring government. This is a caring government. All these roads will be upgraded to bitumen standard. Right Honorable Speaker, there is a lot that we have actually benefited from CDF. If you talk of bursaries, I've provided a lot of bursaries, and this facility is assisting a lot of pupils in my constituency. There is a lot that we are benefiting from this government. For the time being, allow me to submit, Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Lilongwe Central. Before I recognize Chikwawa Central, and using Standing Order 37, the discretion to recognize Honorable Member whose statement is in our office but wasn't part of the order paper, but since he has visitors in the gallery, the chair wishes to allow the member for Lilongwe Kasungu Northeast to present briefly his statement. Kasungu Northeast. This is well quoted in Standing Order 37, Chair's discretion. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, Honorable Neighbor, for using your discretion at this opportune time when I have guests in the House. Guests coming from Senior Chief Simlemba, Senior Chief Chisempere, Senior Chief Wibe, soon to be Senior Chief Nyanja, and STA Chitantamapiri. These members, some of them are familiar to you, First Deputy Speaker. So I wish to put on record my thanks to you for using that discretion properly. I would like to express our thanks to His Excellency, the President, Dr. Lazarus Chakwera, for the things that he has done in Kasungu Northeast. The visitors in the gallery are a testament to the things I'm going to say here about what the government of Dr. Lazarus Chakwera has done and is to do for Kasungu Northeast. I would like to put on record big projects that we have constructed since 2020. At Sopani Dam, we have a 12-hectare Sopani Dam, which now is shared with my colleague, Honorable Kasungu North. But that 12-hectare dam saves people, will be saving people of Kasungu Northeast and Kasungu North equally. We are also grateful that in the current budget, government has allocated at least 2 billion to the construction or rehabilitation of the Chatoroma to Kanyika Road. Kanyika is where we are going to be extracting niobium in the Kanyika niobium mine. We are thankful that this government has given us the piped water through the Champira South Rural Water Supply Project. This piped water passes through Ngwata, going to Simlemba. Yes, we have problems with the water supply system, but those are technical problems. At a policy level, we thank government for considering the people of Simlemba and the people of Kasungu Northeast. We have, with this support from the Constituency Development Fund, we have constructed very important bridges in my constituency. My constituency is very hilly, and connecting from one section to another has been a challenge in the past few years because of lack of bridges. We have constructed significant bridges at Kasiniza, at Mpasazi, Kachenga, Kapulipuli, Kapoko, and also between Chisempere and between Sopani and Chisempere, where we've also constructed a bridge where pupils going to the other side of the river Milenje could not easily cross in the past. We are in Kasungu Northeast, ready to practice irrigation. In the past year, we bought 2 10-hectare covering irrigation pumps under FICID, which we will use the Sopani Dam and the Maruvenji Dam, which is coming up this particular financial year, as well as on Dwangwa River itself around Begeman area, where we want to promote irrigation. I would like to request the Ministry of Agriculture to help us access cheaper fertilizer for us to run our irrigation schemes. We have, under the Economic Empowerment for Women and Youth component of the CDF, we are, in this current financial year, going to graduate 368 learners on different TVET trades, including carpentry, tailoring, and actually bricklaying. Those 368 First Deputy Speaker are graduating on the 20th of April this year. These 368 learners, youths, are actually part of 905 whom TVETA has selected to undergo training within this financial year, as well as next financial year, 2026-2025. I am very thankful to the people that are helping us there, which is TVETA, as well as the project team that is working very hard to ensure that our youths get the skills that are required. Actually, there will be first level certificates in April, but some of them will continue to get advanced level certificates in TVETA so that we can help our youths to be employers of themselves. We have done quite a number of under 5 clinics. To begin with, we have one at Kaunda, another at Idoka. We have a bigger one under Jessit at Office Trading Center. We are planning to also upgrade under 5 clinics at Chikwezi, Luangwa, Chiwinga, and Nkurande. In the Garele, Right Honorable Speaker, our head teachers from the schools that are in my constituency. These head teachers are thankful that under MERP, the Malawi Education Reform Program, we have about 60 classrooms that we can construct across the constituency. In the Kawia zone, about 9, and Simlemba, about 5, in the Kambira zone, about 4. But in all, we are expecting that the MERP program will be able to provide us at least 60 classrooms in the education sector. And the teachers, the head teachers that are here, want to provide witness that we would like the Ministry of Education to speed up its processes, because we are ready in Kasungu Northeast. We are ready in all the 55 schools to construct the blocks under MAREP. We can do our contribution quite well. We have had experience with Build On, where we have partnered with Build On in the past, and in the last 5 years we have constructed 48 classrooms across the constituency with support of Build On, which I would like to thank very much, and to lament that they have gone at a time that we needed them most, and if they can come back, we will complete much more schools. In short, in the education sector, we are committed to improving the quality of classrooms, but also we would like, as we go forward, the Ministry of Education to be considering teachers' houses. I am happy that under MERP, we have at least started 1 or 2 teachers' houses at Chinchinda and somewhere else, where we want to improve education. Honorable First Deputy Speaker, we have under CDF pipe to water schemes. Under CDF and the solar, thank you to the Minister of Water and Sanitation. We have 2 solar water pump schemes in my constituency where we are about to start completing the projects. At Simlemba, we have a pipe water scheme. We will have another one at Chenjiwazi in Vera. The minister has assured me by April we will start getting the pipes so that our people can drink pipe water from there. We will also have pipe water at Mkanakoti. Honorable Speaker, finally, I would like to request the Ministry of Energy to speed up electrification of Office Trading Center under the MARE program, but also to help us request ESCOM to finish installing a transformer at Simlem, at Chatoroma, to save the community around the Mzumara compound down to Kadweya. The initial survey was already done, but we are hoping that this time around, ESCOM can come and complete its work so that our people can enjoy also some electricity. ESCOM needs to also take care of rural constituencies like that of Kasungu, Northeast. With these few remarks, First Deputy Speaker, once again, I would like to thank the people of Simlemba, Nyanja, Wimbe, Chitantamapiri, Chisempere, for their continued confidence in me as their representative in this House. And I'm sure that they will renew my mandate to be with you here, First Deputy Speaker, in the coming term 2025 to 2030. I will be here because of them, and I'm begging them to continue to have the trust in me. I will also request you, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, to come and see them at the office this coming Saturday. Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my dear brother, my dear neighbor from Kasungu Northeast, kwa office, kwa Simulemba, kwa Wimbe Mbali, kwa Fifi, Chitantamapiri. God bless you, my dear brother. Honor members have come, time for a healthy break. And then when we come back, you guide us. But on my list, I have Chikwawa Central, then Doa North, then we go down. Those members that when I mentioned your constituency, you were not there, the chair's discretion, you'll be considered. So don't lose heart. If your statement is here, the chair will consider you. We passed the budget yesterday. You must be in a good mood. So, leader, you guide us on that one. You give us a guide. You guide us on 16. Okay. Otherwise, it's 10:49. We come back at. It's almost 20 to 11. 10 to 11. So we come back at 20 past 11. House suspended. Honorable Member Nkoma, you do as usual. As usual. Thank you. House suspended. Mwambamo Tima Emirila, may you stand as well? Thank you.